Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And let's get the table topic. The table topic is something I want to believe in but can't. Something I want to believe in but can't. So let's talk about something that you want to believe in but can't. This topic explores the dynamics of your belief and your disbelief. So, why does it matter? Why this topic is important? This topic is important in the sense that it prompts you to reflect on your belief and disbelief, and it prompts you further that why you think so, why you believe, find the reasons. So that's why it matters, because when you know the reasons why you think so, why you believe so, you can take better decision in the future. So what's the takeaway from this topic is that uh, if you have something that you want to believe in but can't, it offers a perspective and reflection on your life. What is that something? And once you know that something that you want to believe in but you are not able to believe, you try to find the reasons why you think like that. And once you have the reason, you can be a better judge that in the near future, that how your decision should be. Because if you have concrete reason, then you have a concrete model that why you think so, and you can have a better judgment in the future. So that is why it's important to think about what you believe in, what you don't want, and what are the reasons behind it. For me, if there is something that I want to believe in but I can't, is that is a medical science. I really want to believe that medical science actually knows everything about the humans and the human body. But so this stems from the science background that I have, because I want to believe in that if there has been experiment and there has been results, so it's definitely works. But recently I have come across several things where the medical science did not offer me uh, good good evidence or something, good reasoning behind it, why this something works or why this doesn't work. So I have come to believe at this point of time that why, like, I want to believe in medical science but I'm not able to fully believe in it. So at this point of time I really don't know the reasons, but after listening this topic I will find out what are the reasons, what are the concrete reasons, and maybe there are things beyond my control or beyond the medical science control. If I know that there are certain areas where medical science doesn't have answer, so in the future I can take better decisions, right? So that is what it's about. The To sum it up, this topic explores the dynamics of your belief and disbelief, and it prompts you to reflect on what are the reasons behind your such belief. And once you find the reasons, you are able to take better decisions in the near future. And thank you.